With NASA's Artemis II mission preparing to send humans around the moon again, conversations like these are about to get louder. So this video isn't here to mock anyone, it's here to explain why space denial happens, and then calmly address the biggest claims behind it. Let's explore this. Hello there, welcome back to Star Stuff, where I explain things about Earth and space clearly for curious minds. Before we talk about rockets, astronauts, or the moon, let's talk about people. Because space denial, including moon landing denial, isn't really about space. Just like flat Earth, it's about trust. It's about uncertainty. And sometimes it's about feeling powerless in a very complicated world. And let's be honest, space is big. Uncomfortably big. And some people look at it and think,
absolutely not. I did not order existential dread with my breakfast.
Most people who deny space exploration aren't unintelligent. They're not crazy, and they're usually not trying to be difficult. They're just deeply suspicious of everything. Honestly, after history has given us real lies, cover-ups, and oops, we shouldn't have done that moments, that suspicion didn't come from nowhere. Common reasons include distrust in institutions, a desire to feel special, like you've figured out something others haven't, fear of uncertainty, space is vast, abstract, and humbling, and online echo chambers where skepticism gets rewarded with likes and applause. Space denial offers something emotionally comforting. If space isn't real, then the universe is smaller. And if the universe is smaller, I feel safer. It's like saying, actually, the ocean is fake. That puddle is as deep as it gets. Comforting. Incorrect, but comforting. Let's talk about Artemis II because this matters. First, and this is important, Artemis II is not a moon landing. No flags, no dramatic slow motion footsteps, no inspirational music swelling at just the right moment. It's a crewed mission, sending 4 astronauts around the moon, testing life support systems, navigation, communications, and radiation exposure. In other words, all the boring stuff that keeps people alive. And space agencies love boring, because boring means nobody dies. Let's look at our first claim. The moon landings were faked. This is the big one. If the Apollo moon landings were faked, it would require over 400,000 people staying quiet for 50 plus years, rival nations, including the Soviet Union, agreeing to lie during the Cold War, engineers, physicists, radio operators, and astronauts all committing to the bit, and not one of them spilling the secret. Ever. Which is impressive, considering some people can't keep a surprise birthday party quiet. But here's the kicker. We still use mirrors left on the moon by Apollo astronauts to bounce lasers back to Earth. You can test this today. That's not belief. That's physics saying,
I'm gonna return your laser now.
Why can't we just go back? So this one sounds reasonable until you think about it for more than 5 seconds. Apollo hardware was hand-built, non-reusable, made using manufacturing methods that literally don't exist anymore. So rebuilding Apollo today would be like saying, why can't we just rebuild a 1969 car exactly the same, including the factory and the workers and the vibes? Artemis isn't about repeating Apollo. It's about doing spaceflight sustainably, safely, and long-term. Progress doesn't move backwards, it upgrades. All space footage is CGI. If space footage was CGI, it would have to fake signal delays that match exact distances, Doppler shifts in radio transmissions, orbital mechanics tracked independently, thermal behavior consistent with vacuum physics. And also, this is important, space agencies don't control the sky. Amateur astronomers regularly track the ISS, lunar missions, deep space probes, which means if space were fake, thousands of independent hobbyists would have to be involved. And astronomers can't even agree on Pluto, so that's unlikely. And here's where things get human. Once someone emotionally commits to space denial, evidence can feel like an attack. Because now it's not about facts, it's about identity. Admitting space is real can sometimes feel like, if I was wrong about this, what else was I wrong about? And that's uncomfortable. Nobody likes that feeling. Not you, not me, not even astronauts. That's why ridicule doesn't work. And shouting definitely doesn't work. Curiosity does. Okay, why does Artemis II matter? Artemis II isn't just a mission. It's a chance for people to track spacecraft themselves, listen to astronauts speak live, watch real telemetry, and see multiple nations collaborate. No smoke, no mirrors, just physics doing physics things. Humans leave Earth, follow predictable laws, and come home again, which is honestly kind of beautiful. Slightly terrifying, but mostly beautiful. And if you're skeptical of space, you're not broken, and you're not alone. But real skepticism asks, what evidence would change my mind? Because when skepticism refuses all evidence, it stops being critical thinking and starts becoming a belief system. Artemis II doesn't demand trust. It offers transparency, and the universe doesn't need us to believe in it. It's been doing just fine without our permission. If you know someone who struggles with space denial, share this video. Not to win an argument, but to start a conversation. Curiosity is stronger than fear, and reality has receipts. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Star Stuff for more. Cool beans.